So this is a water, and this is a thing one that is okay. Let's get started. I think what we have to put it. I'll translate that. First, you have to get it. Second, put it. Third, press it. And fourth is pop. And that's interesting. So all you need to do is put it in the lid and press it, and then pop! It blasts. I have to clean the screen, guys. And guys, if this thinking one is empty, then you have to fill it sink or kitchen or in the bathroom, guys. So if it's empty with thinking one, you have to fill it up in kitchen or bathroom. So goodbye, guys. See you next video.